Unlock DLSS form magic. Why MSI RTX 5060 Trio rules 1080p wars. Ever felt like your GPU's a gasping gremlin, choking on frames and cranking heat like a faulty furnace, stranding you in stuttery slumps mid-match? That frame freeze fury when ray traces turn to raster regrets. Too tangible? If your card's conspiring against your conquests, dish your GPU groan, gripe below. Let's geek over the glitches with a guffaw. Heighten the heat. Launch deadlines lagging like low-FPS foes, stress scorching sharper than a silicon spike, and burnout blistering brighter than a benchmark blaze. You're geared for glory, but one thermal throttle or VRAM veto vaults your vibe into vapor, scorching sessions before spawn. What if a cool-headed conqueror claimed the core? No chassis chaos conjured. Conjure it. That cascade of crisp clocks courses compellingly close. Ignite the MSI RTX 5068G Gaming Trio OC, your Blackwell-born battler of budget bliss. A 128-bit GDDR7 dynamo, dauntlessly delivering 2,640 MHz boosts via NVIDIA's neural nexus. DLSS 4's AI artistry upscaling utopias. And 4th-gen RT cores rendering rays with radiant realism for 1080p ultras and 1440p highs. It's TRI FROZR 3 thermal throne, TORX Fan 4.0 tandems, core pipes cradling copper, airflow artistry, whispers at 60 degrees Celsius loads, mystic light mesmerizing with RGB reverie, all in a dual-slot stealth shroud, syncing via MSI Center. Feel the backplate's bolstered brace, the fin's feathery flow fending fan frenzy, DisplayPort 2.1a trios, and HDMI 2.1b heralding 8K horizons. Recall Riley, the esports entrant whose DLSS 4 doubled dual digits in Dawn Derbies. Or Jordan, the creator whose Ray Reconstruction refined renders, racing deadlines with unyielding uplift. This outstrips silicon siblings. It's your sensory sentinel, 145-watt whisper efficient, AV1 decode ace, G-Sync guardian. Here's one way the MSI RTX 5060 Gaming Trio OC saved the day for a streaming savant. Overclock headroom hushed a heatwave hitch mid-marathon, minting milestones. Linger for that bonus blueprint on BIOS boosting without buzz. Your framed fortress fortifies fiercely. Savor the surge. The MSI RTX 5068G Gaming Trio OC doesn't render. It reignites your rig's rapture, honing efficiency like a honed heatsink, while focus forges fiercer than factory clocks, performance pulsing through pixels with prescient power. Picture the shroud's subtle shimmer, its torques twirl teasing temps in twilight trials or tournament tempests, as GDDR7 gush and Blackwell-born's birth buttery benchmarks. A hardware harbinger hailed. Trio's TRI FROZR tames 60s Celsius silently. GDDR7 gales gapless at 1440p. DLSS 4's divine for mid-range mastery. A gaming guru gushed, from 3060 lags to 144+ frame per second ultras. Ray-traced realms reborn, RGB's right. Analysts applaud. MSI's Trio TAC targets value vaults with premium poise, eclipsing 4060s by 30% in Blackwell benchmarks. User upticks unite, a fragger fond. 1080p maxed, esports edged, whisper quiet warrior. A builder beamed, content crunches cooler, NVIDIA nectar. 8 GB suffices SONS stutter. See why thousands tout this trio triumph. VRAM's 8 GB cap, DLSS 4 dissolves doubts, outpacing pricier pretenders. Which wizardry would wildfire your wins? Fan finesse or AI upscale? Comment below and calibrate config curios. It's that entrancing engine, the card's cool caress catalyzing your campaigns to climactic crests, vistas of victorious visuals vividly unveiled. Trio triumphs are ticking down. Nab your MSI RTX 5060 Gaming Trio OC before Blackwell backlogs blockade. Bond with the brigades who've boosted their builds, from frag fanatics to frame forgers, all exalting the trio's triad of torque and tranquility. One oracle observed, pounded 1440p ports, persisted pristine, Efficiency eclipses elders, vaults vanilla variants. If frame per second famines or thermal tantrums torment you, this could crown your core. Click now for bundled brackets and MSI Center Mastery, unlocking a sly sync for Mystic Light that meshes multi-RGB realms. Don't just daydream. Deploy and dominate your draws today.